Hey everybody, it's Nazara with Nazara's Fine Crafts, and today we are going to do a review of Harry Potter Crochet. So this is 14 magical projects from the Wizarding World. I don't know if you guys are Harry Potter fans, but I certainly am. So I thought this was pretty cool. We got it for my little sister. And she wanted the dragon, which I'll show you in a little bit, in this Yarn Bee Velvety Smooth Pastel Point. It is it's pastel point is the color. It is, let's see, use a 8mm knitting needles or 9mm crochet hook. This is 80 yards or 74 meters, 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, and it's 100% polyester. It is a bulky 5-weight, and it does say machine wash, but no, do not machine dry. So, if you can see, I already kind of started on him in that cute little face. So we have to stuff him now. But I figured I will go ahead and walk you through the kit and what you get in it. So on the back, it is a $25 value. Crochet 14 magical projects from the Harry Potter films. Stitch up Hermione with a removable robe and scarf. Professor McGonagall with the sorting hat, and even a tiny adorable Hedwig the owl. It comes with an illustrated instruction book that guides you step by step through each pattern, along with the materials to make Harry Potter and Dobby the house elf. 9 colors of yarn, embroidery thread, a crochet hook shaped like Harry Potter's wand, stuffing, plastic safety eyes, and a yarn needle. So the book has instructions to create Harry, Ron, Hermione, Dobby, Hagrid, Dumbledore, Snape, McGonagall, Voldemort, Ginnie, the sorting hat, Hedwig, Norbert the dragon, and student robes and scarves. So let's go ahead and open it up. So this is what the package looks like. In here you get the cream yarn, black and gray. And these look like they might be a fine 2-weight, maybe. And then these are more of a 4-weight. We get a darker gray, yellow, the Gryffindor red, the light gray and white, and then brown. Here is the wand. So the wand's pretty cool, but it's kind of disappointing. If it was a wooden wand, it'd be better. But it's plastic, and it kind of bends a little bit, so you got to be careful if you're going to use it. Otherwise, it could break. And then we'll do the book last. But so I already used one set of the safety eyes on the little dragon head, but it comes with yarn needle, some embroidery thread, and then Dobby's eyes, which I don't know if you can see that. They're brown around the edges, which is pretty cool. And then here's the book. So that, see if I can show you these guys without showing you these guys. So here's what Harry Potter will look like. Well, James, stop. You're shaking the camera, baby. This book has all of the stitches, instructions, tutorials, how to sew them, changing color, how to do a magic ring, everything. It's actually pretty nice. There's Hermione. It even tells you how to do polymer clay wands for these little guys. So let's see, there's Ron. There's Dobby. Hagrid. And there's Norbert the dragon. That's the one I'm working on right now. Dumbledore. McGonagall. Well, James, you're hitting the camera. There's the sorting hat. Oop, sorting hat. And Snape. And then Ginny Weasley. So, and this even actually shows you how to do the Quidditch broomstick as well in Ginny's. And then cute little Hedwig. So, and then let's see, the author of this is Lucy Collin. So we gotta give her a shout out. But that's the whole group together. Did I not show you Voldemort? I don't think I did. Where is he? There he is. There's Voldemort. The only one with a nose, but not really. So.
Okay, time to eat. Dinner served.
So, but that is our kit, and obviously it got tore apart while we were doing that. Little hands reaching in. That's okay. But really excited to do these patterns. I will share that pattern with you, or share the end result of that pattern as soon as I am done. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. This yarn is actually pretty soft too. It's not too bad for a little stuffed animal type thing. So you all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you later. Bye.